Hey guys, we're back from Coastal Finishings. We've picked up all of our powder coating now. It came up really good. The guys down there did a great job. And now the real job begins, putting it all back together on the truck. Few little points to note if you're getting stuff powder coated. Anything that's a really tight tolerance fit, or any threads, you want to try and preferably put bolts in all those threads. Go and find yourself some old bolts that you don't really care about, because as much as they try to keep the powder out of the threads, like they do put stuff in the holes, because it's such a fine powder and dust, it gets in everywhere. And you'll end up spending a lot of time cleaning threads out, and tight bushings and whatnot. You're like it. We've got the lower arms on. We've actually got all the front arms on now, but the lower arms took the best part of 3/4 of a day. So we bit of work, but it's on there now. That's the main thing. Yeah, like I said, all the powder coat came up really great, and yeah, now we'll start putting everything back together on the truck, and we'll go from there. Good morning once again. Another day in the shed. It's getting a bit warmer now, so I've got some shorts on. I've got the front end back together on the truck. It's not all the way back together, but it's almost there. Wow, we don't want to be taking those arms off anytime soon. It's pretty tight. I've left all the top arms loose for the moment because we've got to set up the caster camber. Yeah, but got all the lower arms, got the uprights on yesterday, hubs on. I do need to go through and Loctite a lot of stuff, but I'll do that today. I put the rear end together a couple of days ago. I didn't quite have the right bolts, so I've got all the new bolts. Man, you can spend some money on bolts. But yeah, we're gonna keep going today. I think I'm gonna start. I'm gonna change out the bolts that I had issues with the other day on the back, and then we're gonna start putting all the mesh into all the new powder coated panels, because all the panels are done now. Basically, all the powder coat's finished. The only thing I've got left to do, or left to pick up, is the exhaust, and I'm also getting all the Duzzies colour match, so I've got to drop them back off. That was an afterthought. Yeah, so thanks for watching. We'll, if you haven't already, click that thumbs up, click the little bell to like and subscribe. Follow us on the Outlaws 4x4 YouTube channel, and or the Team Outlaws 4x4 Facebook page, and yeah, stay tuned and we'll have more content coming out. Thanks.